Cinia is an independent company with a strong public-private ownership. Since late 2013, the state of Finland has been the largest owner, holding now 77.5% ownership. And since 2014, private financial investors have held the remaining 22.5%.
The Cinia Group creates intelligent connectivity solutions that make the world smaller and your business smarter. Cinia has over 10,000 kilometers of customized network connectivity in Finland and has built international connectivity and sea cable connections between East and West.
Year 2010 was a very important milestone in the development of C-Lion cable system. That was a year when the Ministry of Traffic and Communications started a technical feasibility study to be conducted. Between 2010 and 2013, there was a healthy debate within the industry and different players whether it should be built or not. Year 2013, a feasibility study was conducted. That time we were focusing more how to do that and how to make it happen. In year 2010 and year 2013, the market was more ready for the cable system because of the emergence of big data.
Cinia designs, builds and operates nationally critical systems in open system environments, serving many major traffic and energy distribution operators. Cinia's strategic ambition is to build and expand cloud backbone to fuel the single digital market in Europe and offer system solutions created for both private and public sector customers.
At that time, the responsibility was transferred from Ministry of Traffic and Communications to Prime Minister's office. And then we spent some time figuring it out how to make it happen. At the same time, Coronet was available. And when we were thinking whether or not to build this as a brownfield operations or greenfield operations, the Prime Minister's office took the lead and made a very important decision. Governia acquired Coronet in 2013.
Cinia built the C-Lion1 submarine cable from Helsinki to Rostock. This is the first direct connection from Finland to Germany. A new digital highway represents the shortest and most trusted bridge between East and West. Networks are the backbone of the future economy.
After Coronet Limited was acquired late 2013, a notification process in European Commission was launched, and the government committed to invest 20 million euros in the project. And of course, it was key to receive a full approval from the Commission. The notification process went smoothly. We had good negotiations, and final approval for the notification was set on the 16th of September 2014.
The emergence of big data and the geographical advantage of Finland are the main drivers for the C-Lion project. Nordic countries have already seen many big international data center investments, and this trend is expected to continue. The cable connects Finland to the northern part of the Baltic Sea, to Germany and to continental Europe, with low latency, high quality and cyber-secure future-proof connections.
We also launched a financing project in September 2014 and a project for turnkey suppliers. By late November 2014, we had our financing ready, and in December 2014, we were able to publish our selection for turnkey provider ASN Alcatel-Lucent.
Compared to traditional sea cables, the C-Lion1 is one of a kind. The whole cable bears a single or double armoured structure, which provides extra protection in the Baltic Sea, where the deepest point is 205 meters.
Cinia started the implementation project with route and seabed surveys in December 2014, immediately after the turnkey contractor was selected. There were several vessels involved with the seabed surveys, and most of the surveys were carried out by side-scan sonar and magnetometer. All surveys were completed by September 2015.
To achieve a secure cable route, a substantial part of Cinia's cable was installed near the Nord Stream gas pipe. This allowed Cinia to exploit existing survey data that made it possible to start the project less than 1 year from the start of initial planning.
ASN Alcatel-Lucent manufactured the cable in its Calais factory in France. Cable manufacturing started in February 2015, and it took 7 months to complete the entire submarine cable, repeaters and branching units.
The C-Lion1 cable's route is 1,172 kilometers long and consists of 8 optical fiber pairs. The test carried out demonstrated record capacity 144 terabits per second on C-Lion1 submarine cable system. 2 installed branching units provide the possibility for future connectivity of Hongkong and the Baltic countries. ASN loaded the cable from the factory onto the cable-laying vessel Ile de Bréhat within 2 weeks in September 2015. At the beginning of October, Ile de Bréhat was ready to start its journey towards Satahamina, Helsinki. The actual cable laying started on October 12, 2015, when Ile de Bréhat started its journey from Satahamina to Rostock. The target for the cable laying was to plough the cable to a depth of 1 meter in the seabed.
The C-Lion project was conducted in only 16 months, which is generally considered an extremely good result in such a project. In December 2015, cable landing in German soil in Rostock was achieved. On January 12, 2016, the final splice was installed, resulting in the new C-Lion1 submarine cable connection between Finland and Germany.
The cable is connected to Germany's existing network infrastructure and to all major European hubs. The improved infrastructure enables extending the market area and business opportunities to Eastern Europe and Asia for German enterprises. Germany and Finland share a strong industrial heritage, and digitalization will initiate new industries and boost growth of the industrial internet. Cinia owns and operates a high-quality optic network from Central Europe to Northern Finland. This means that almost a quarter, 25%, of the future Northeast Passage from Europe to Asia is already operational.